Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions here with a super quick market update. Let me start sharing my screen so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm looking at. So we just wrapped up our live session with the LPP team. Again, friendly reminder, today is my first full day here in Italy. So if you guys haven't been keeping up to date, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, which is the third link in the description down below. But let's go ahead and talk about what is the big focus for this week, and that is tech earnings. Now, why is this very significant? Well, first, let me talk about these the big tech that is actually reporting earnings this week. We got Microsoft. Again, I wanted to be able to provide this for you guys. Microsoft on Tuesday reporting earnings after the market closes. Normally, big tech always reports earnings after the market closes. Microsoft Tuesday, Google Tuesday, all after market hours. Now, why is this significant? Well, again, we'll talk about that in just a little bit. Amazon after market hours on Thursday, and these are the expectations for earnings per share. This is $2.23, $1.07, and then for Amazon, it's 22 cents earnings per share. Now, why is this significant? Well, if you guys have been paying attention to the overall NASDAQ market for literally the past 2 weeks, well, now it's 2 weeks and 1 day because today, it's still trading within that same range. We've been within the same support range. We've been within the same resistance range almost since all of April. I mean, we can look back to literally the start of April. We have made no progress with higher highs or really even lower lows. It's been literally the slowest month of 2023. Look it up. I mean, literally everyone is talking about it when it comes down to all these news outlets. Now, why is this significant? Well, I really hope, the reason that I'm making this video is I really hope that this tech earnings, right, with Microsoft, Amazon, or even Google, that they set an expectation and set the tone of either the market being bullish and allowing us to break above 320, or if it's bearish, who cares, right? I mean, there's money to be made even on the bearish side of things, right? So even if we break below this 313 support, I just want the market to choose a side. I know it just can't be me, but this market just has me fed up with how much consolidation has been going on, right? We continue to trade within the same support and same resistance, and almost every day, right? We start off red, we try to close green. We start off red, we try to close green, but then we go back in the red, right? Or we start off green and then we close red. The choppiness in this market has been so frustrating. Let me know in the comment section if you guys agree. But what I wanted to share with you guys is, as of right now, the market's not doing anything different. So even if today were to be a day where you take a step back, and I wanted to share with you why. Because of big tech, and when they do report earnings, they're pretty much going to set the tone for all of big tech. And hopefully that can allow us to break above or break below those support and resistance levels. Because as of right now, especially if you are under the PDT rule, that means that you're only able to day trade 3 times within a 5 business day period. So why waste your day trades on a day like this when the market's not doing anything special, right? It's not making higher highs, it's not making lower lows. So why not save it when market direction actually chooses a side? And that's really just it. I wanted to make sure that you guys not only keep up with all the economic reports that are set to be released this week, but also that you are aware of big tech earnings and why it's so significant. Once big tech reports earnings, it will set the tone and either for a bull market or a bear market for up and coming quarters. We want to understand, are these big tech companies struggling, and do they also support the idea of us potentially going into a recession? No one can predict the future. We're only here to prepare for it, which is why I wanted to prepare all of our beginner traders to save those day trades for days that are actually worth it, because I know that I can't be the only one that's super frustrated with how much the market has been consolidating. And you guys can let me know by dropping a thumbs up and or just even commenting down below. But again, the last thing that I wanted to make you guys aware is that, again, you guys need to pick up your GTR mystery box. It gets you 1,000 entries for our GTR giveaway, and we're also giving away a free GTR duffel bag with every order of a GTR mystery box. Just add your favorite color and add it to your cart. Again, this is the biggest bang for your buck, and again, if you guys want to enter the GTR giveaway or $50,000 cash, that's going to be the 4th link in the description down below or at shoptechbuds.com. If you have any questions about how to watch me trade live every morning, I'd love to have you watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, and that's that 2nd link in the description down below to learn more about it. I appreciate your time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. If you have any questions, message me via Discord, and that's that 1st link in the description down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.